Yes. Today we will discuss chapter circles part 1. We have to start this circle chapter. So in this chapter, we need to know some definitions of, first of all, the collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point. From a fixed point is called a circle. Means this is a, suppose you have a fixed point. This is a fixed point. Okay. And suppose you are taking from this point, suppose you have taken a point here at a distance 5 centimeters. Then you make other points which are at a distance of 5 centimeters, other point and other point like this. If you will take all the points which are at a distance of 5 centimeters, you will get, what will you get? You will get a circle. Correct? So this is the definition. When this is a fixed point, one is fixed point, this is a fixed point O, and here if you will take at the boundary of the circle, means you will take all the collections which are at a fixed distance. This is the fixed distance, fixed point, fixed distance. So this fixed point is called, the center of the circle, and this fixed distance is called the radius of the circle. Okay. So this is the definition. You can see the definition. If the definition comes, you can write a collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point is called a circle, and the fixed point is called the center of the circle, and the fixed distance is called the radius. Then we have a circle divides the plane. Suppose this is a plane. Okay. You can take other color. Suppose this is a plane. Okay. Now, if we have to draw a circle in this plane, on any plane, if you are drawing a circle on any plane, suppose this is the circle that you are drawing on the plane. So this circle divides the plane into 3 parts. One inside the circle, another outside the circle. So this inside the circle, this is the boundary of the circle. So inside the circle, interior, this is called the interior of the circle. This is area, this area part, this inside part is called the interior of the circle, and outside the circle, which is called the exterior of the circle, this is called the exterior of the circle, and third, the circle. This is the line. The line which is making the circle, that this boundary of the circle, circumference of the circle, it will have some points, so that is called the circle. So this will divide into the interior of the circle. So every plane is divided by the circle into 3 parts. One interior, second part is the circle, the line which is making circle, and third part is the exterior of the circle. And the circle and its interior make up the circular region. We say circular region, so this boundary of the circle plus interior. So it is dividing into 3 parts: interior, boundary, second part, third part, exterior, and boundary plus interior is called the circular region. Boundary plus interior is called the circular region. Now, a piece of a circle between 2 points is called an arc. Suppose you have a circle, which is your circle here, okay, and a piece of circle between 2 points. Just take 2 points on this circle. Let 2 points be A. This is suppose A point and B point. Take 2 points A and B. 2 points in this figure. You can see this. You find that there are two pieces, one longer and the other is smaller. It is dividing into two pieces. One piece is from here to here, or you can write like this. This is one piece. Another piece is above one. This one is another piece above. So these pieces are called arcs. These are called arcs. So arc AB, instead of writing, we write arc AB. We used to use this symbol AB and like this part of a arc. So that means AB is a arc. Okay. So there is a longer arc and the shorter arc. So longer arc is called major arc. This is major arc PQ, and the shorter one is called minor arc. So actually this is minor arc, so we should write minor arc. Whenever, sometimes it is necessary to write, sometimes it is understood, but we should mention that which arc we are considering. This is minor arc AB. And if it is major arc, so we are going to A to B. If minor arc, so B to A, because we have to move in the same direction. It is anti-clockwise direction, so A to B, then B to A. So then major arc will be B to A. Their direction will be opposite. So major arc will be BA. The major arc is denoted by PQ and major arc by PRQ. And minor arc PR, they have taken some point here, R. Okay, if you are taking some point R here, so instead of BA, you can also write BRA. They have taken PQ point actually, and they are discussing PQ, so we can also take same point, PQ. This is PQ. They are using this instead of AB. We are using PQ. Okay, so PQ, if you will also use PQ, don't get confused, so that this same explanation will be there. Now this is, they are using P and Q. This is Q. So PQ arc. So minor arc is PQ. PQ is minor arc, and if you have taken one point here, so QP, if they are taking QP, then we should take PRQ. And here PQ, so QRP. So you should take QRP. This is a major arc, and that one is minor arc. Now, when P and Q are the end points of a diameter, then both arcs are equal and each is called a semicircle. When P and Q will become, suppose this is the center, and P will come at this point and Q will come at this point, then this is divided into two equal arcs, PQ. Whether you write PQ or QP, both are same. So instead of saying this PQ, QP, so it is difficult to distinguish between these. So in this case, they are called semicircle, not arc. They will called semicircle. When P and Q are, when P and Q are the endpoints of the diameter, then both the arcs are called semicircle. So we will write semicircle PQ. If we are writing semicircle PQ, you can understand only semicircle. That means this is lying on the line of diameter, means the endpoints of the diameter. Okay, now we will see about the segment and sector. Okay. So the length of the complete circle is called its circumference. You know that the length of the complete, suppose this is a circle. Okay. So its full length means from this part to this part. If you will take one round of it, that is the complete length of the circle and it is called the circumference. This is called circumference. So circumference of a circle is this one. This total length is called the circumference. The region between a chord and either of its arc. Chord, what is a chord? If you have 2 points in a circle and if you join the 2 points, these 2 points join. Any 2 points on the circle, you will join these 2 points A and B. This AB is called chord of the circle. Chord AB. So we will write chord AB and straight line because chord is straight. When we write arc AB, we used to use the arc symbol AB. AB arc means from here to here, this part. So the region between the chord and the arc, this is AB is the arc and this is the chord and another one is arc. This is your arc. This is the arc, correct? This one is your arc and this one is your chord. Okay. So region between them is this one. This is the region. This is the region between chord and arc. Okay. So this region is called segment. So again, you have 2 segments. So this is minor segment. Smaller one is called minor segment. Minor segment. So segment is the region between chord and arc. Okay. Between chord and arc. So another region is this one. Other region is this one, above one. This is another region. So this is bigger region. So therefore it is called major segment. This is called minor segment and above one is called major segment. So what is segment? Segment simply a circular region between chord and arc. Either of the arcs means either major arc or minor arc. Region with the chord either with major arc or minor arc. That's why either of the arcs means either major arc or minor arc is called segment. So there are 2 segments, major segment and minor segment. Okay. Then we have sector. Next thing is what? Sector. What is a sector of a circle? If you see the region between an arc and the 2 radii joining the center to the end points of the arc, that means this is the center and 2 radii, means you have 2 radii, any 2 radii joining this. Suppose this is watch radius and another one is this radius. Okay. So these are the 2 radii joining it at point P and Q. Okay. So the region between these 2 radii and an arc. This is the arc. Region between this arc and between these two radii, this radius and this radius. The region is what? This is the region, area, this region. This region is called sector. Again, you have two sectors, minor and major. This is inside sector, outside sector is, major sector is this one. Correct? This is what? Major sector. In 10th class, you have to find the area of sector, area of region. Here you have geometry. So this part is called minor segment. Sector, sorry, minor sector. 1 minute left, but minor sector, and this is called major sector. Major sector. So when P and Q will become, when two arcs are equal, just you see that when two arcs are equal, then when two arcs are equal, it is called semicircle, and both segments and both sectors become the same, and each is known as semicircular region. Instead of saying sector or any other thing, we have to say semicircular region. Okay, because that will become a chord. Straight line, which is a diameter, will become a chord, and diameter is the longest chord, and both the region will be called semicircular regions. Okay, I think you understood everything. Huh? You have a doubt, then you can ask in the next part. Thank you very much.